Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not connect to iCloud. This phone number cannot be used at this time. So guys, if you're also facing this issue on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this, and after this check the airplane mode on your iPhone whether it is off or on. So guys, if it is on, then you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now open settings on your device and then go to general and then software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. And after this scroll it below and tap on language and region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And after this scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to your profile and then scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from here for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go to settings again and restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, you have to simply restart your device for one time again, and then you have to sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to the support app. Here you can see this, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, here you can see this, you can get any kind of help from here from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.